How to change language on Uzum Market app. First of all, open the app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your profile menu where you can access personal settings, account information, and app preferences. Here you will find the language option at the top of the list. Tap on it to see a list of available languages supported by Uzum Market. Select your preferred language from the list and tap Proceed. The app will restart and automatically apply the new language settings, and you will see the interface change immediately to your chosen language. Changing the language in Uzum Market makes it easier to navigate and use all the features in your preferred language. You can switch back to a different language anytime by following the same steps. Now you know how to change the language on Uzum Market app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.